Ethereum 2.0 is finally live. But hold on, is it the biggest thing since sliced Bitcoin? Or just another overhyped crypto promise? Stick around for the next few minutes and I'll promise by the end of this video you'll know whether Ethereum 2.0 is a game changer or just hype. First, let's break down what Ethereum 2.0 actually brings to the table. And the main upgrades are proof of stake, so goodbye energy guzzling mining rigs, hello eco-friendly staking, sharding. Think of it like splitting a super slow highway into multiple access lanes for transactions. Lower fees and faster transactions. No more selling your kidney just to send $10 worth of Ethereum. Sounds amazing, right? But here's the million-dollar question. Can Ethereum 2.0 compete with fast-growing competitors like Solana? Solana promise ultra-fast transactions and super low fees, but it's had its share of network outages. Ethereum 2.0 might be slower initially, but it's aiming for stability and security over speed. Now let's talk numbers. Ethereum currently handles around 30 transactions per second, and Solana can do about 50,000 transactions per second. Sounds insane, right? But Ethereum 2.0 aims for thousands of transactions per second eventually, plus the security bonus. So what does this mean for you, the everyday crypto enthusiast? Basically, Ethereum 2.0 could make Ethereum cheaper to use, faster for transactions, better for DeFi and NFTs. But patience is the key. It's a gradual rollout, not an instant fix. Now I would have a question for you. Do you think Ethereum 2.0 will dominate the crypto world, or will Solana steal the spotlight? Comment below what's your opinion on that. If you learned something new today, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto insights and hit that bell icon, because I've got plenty more crypto updates coming your way. And hey, you're part of this crypto journey, so your opinion matters. Thanks for watching and I hope I'll see you in the next video.